If your center is constantly hiring, but no one is staying, this one is for you. If your center has great kids, but constant staff turnover, you're not alone. If your center is constantly rehiring, but still short staffed, you don't need any more resumes. You need a better strategy. I'm out there with the Data Ninja Group, and we help child care centers build dream teams through intentional hiring and aligned placements. So if you're ready to stop turnover before it starts, you're in the right place. Let's be real. Turnover in early childhood is not only frustrating, but it's expensive, it's exhausting, but it's preventable. And your system is not broken. Your hiring process is. So let's dive deep into common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number one, hiring based on urgency and not alignment. When you're desperate, you hire to fill a space, not build culture. And that leads to burnout for everyone. Here's how to fix it. Define your team values, not just availability. And when I say values, I mean, what are your team rules? What is the typical way that you align with one another? This helps brings a culture to your team. It helps bring shared beliefs and it helps guide your team. Mistake number two, no value-based interviewing. If you're not asking the right questions, you're hiring blind. Ask this. How would you handle a child who refused to participate in group time? It reveals mindset and teaching style. Mistake number three, a weak onboarding or no onboarding at all. Ask yourself, does it prepare people or does it just process them? Most centers onboarding is just paperwork and sink or swim. That's not support. That's a setup for failure. Here's how to fix it. Offer a 2-week onboarding period with mentorship moments built in. That one shift alone can change your culture. Most directors hire in survival mode, and survival mode hires lead to burnout classrooms. Even if you just update one part of your hiring process, it can reduce staff turnover. First, define your team values. Secondly, ask better interviewing questions. Use a value-based interviewing technique. And third, build a real onboarding flow, not just paperwork. The problem isn't that people don't want to work. It's that they don't want to work without clarity, consistency, or care. If you're ready to stop guessing and start hiring with strategy, download my free hiring visionary playbook below.